Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most luxurious and futuristic electric cars in the world, the BMW i7 2025. In this black sapphire metallic beauty, we'll uncover hidden features, explore its futuristic cabin, and take it for a real test drive to see if it truly defines the future of luxury EVs. Just look at that finish. Black sapphire metallic. It's deep, reflective, and gives the i7 an almost mirror-like shine. The design is bold yet elegant, with a massive front grille, sleek LED lights, and sculpted body lines that scream sophistication and power. BMW calls this the next step in their luxury evolution, and honestly, it shows from every angle. Step inside and you enter a world of pure luxury. The interior is finished in all-black premium leather with crystal-clear digital screens and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The dashboard flows seamlessly, with no visible clutter. Everything is touch-sensitive, intuitive, and futuristic. Every detail here, from the stitching to the lighting, feels handcrafted for comfort and control. But what really sets the i7 apart are its hidden features. Watch this. A simple hand gesture opens the sunshade, adjusts volume, or changes drive mode. There's even a hidden theater screen for rear passengers, folding down like magic from the roof. This car isn't just about transport, it's about turning every journey into an experience. Now let's hit the road. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, sits a powerful dual-motor setup that delivers instant torque and breathtaking acceleration, from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just around 4.5 seconds. And you feel every bit of that power. Despite its size, the E7 glides effortlessly with adaptive suspension that reads the road and gives you a smooth, cloud-like ride. It's electric power with executive-class refinement. The i7 2025 is loaded with cutting-edge tech. Voice commands respond instantly. The seats massage, cool, and heat at your command. And thanks to AI-assisted driving, this car practically predicts your next move. Even at high speeds, the cabin remains whisper quiet, a reminder that true luxury is not loud, but calm and confident. So what do we love about the BMW i7 2025? Its design, its futuristic technology, its effortless drive, and the sheer presence it carries. Downsides? It's premium priced and charging infrastructure still has room to grow. But if you're looking for a statement, not just a car, the i7 delivers exactly that. The BMW i7 2025 redefines what a luxury EV can be. It's powerful, intelligent, and built to impress. If you want to see us compare this with the Tesla Model S or the Lucid Air, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more incredible reviews coming your way. See you in the next one.